Hey guys, so today we added a little more. We added quest into the dialogue system that we implemented into story framework as well as narrative tell, and I'll show you what we have today. So this is all we had yesterday. I changed up a little bit the wording, so it makes sense. To start a quest, and after we trigger this, the rock says okay thanks, then we trigger this quest. The quest is go to small rock, uh, and we can go in, and we get to see there's two options. We can go left and we can go right. We can go to the small rock, then we see the quest has succeeded. Then we can turn back, and we see the big rock is back to its place, and we can click it and we'll say thank you for finding a little rock. Yeah, and I can do it again, but this time I will fail it. This time I will make sure I fail. Move, I will find them. Okay, thanks. I will go to here, right? I go to red cross, and you see that quest failed. Then we can go back to the rock. You are more stupid than the rock said. And it works, right? It's great, it's perfect. And the setup is quite simple, I'd say, but there is a little bit tweaking on the numbers. I find out one thing is the distance tolerance. Um, it's I assume you gotta put in like a bigger number than I was trying 50, 50 to like 30 to 70, but it didn't work. I assume it's because of the static mesh radius is greater than the value 50, so it just doesn't trigger. I was like, what is going on? Is the code, is the go to location function wrong? Is there something that didn't work out? So I was like checking it out. But it should work, right? So I was like, adding up it's the number. Yeah, these like tiny minor value issue is really hard to debug. That's from my experience, because you just don't know what is wrong, right? So the second thing is that tomorrow I would be making sure that it works with the safe system of story framework, because we are using the SaveGame BP story framework SaveGame BP, and I want to keep using that, right? So one idea I had is that once we trigger this dialogue, let's see where's it at. We want to update it, and also we want to update the rock quest status. So this will be the value I stored in this instance, right? But the thing is, this instance and also this value there doesn't carry over game instances, right? Because if I were to save the game or simply quit the game, right, this will be reinitiated, right? So it will be set to its default value, which is not accepted. This is the value I set. So my idea is that I want my string, the rock quest status, to have three different possible value: accepted, done, and not accepted, right? So if it's done, I'll simply just probably just block off this area, and if it's not done, I want to make sure that you can start from the beginning, the quest, right? You can talk to the rock, and if it's accepted, right? Accepted basically means that you finish the talking, and you were to choose go left or go right, right? So that would be the stats. So um, by doing that, I will be able to. There's this one functionality, I believe. It's the. Um, Let me see. Where's it? It should be. Yep, it should be this one. So it's the load from data stream. So every time we save game and also load game, when we load game, this function will be called. The load from data stream will be called, and this data stream will be carried over because um, I believe this data stream is stored in a persistent type of blueprint. It's either SaveGame BP, I'd assume, or well, let's go to SaveGame BP first. SaveGame. Again, SaveGame. SaveGame. We have the SF SaveGame BP. So one way we can do this is that we can store the status here. We can store the quest status here, put it using the string, and load it from here, right? If it's passed, we block off the entire area. If it's not, if we haven't even started it, we play from the beginning. We don't really set anything. And if it's during the process, right? If it's begin, we just simply, I believe we just call begin quest, right? We simply just go to begin play and we call begin quest. And yeah, I will be finishing it tomorrow, and yeah, I'll be showing guys how this whole thing finally presented is like. And thank you for watching.